Hi everyone, Carol here from Infraspeak. Today I'll be guiding you through the basic steps when you first start using Infraspeak. The main goal here is for you to understand how to get started on setting up the platform and to manage where the master data for people and teams can be found. To start, let's look at an example. Let's say a maintenance manager just acquired Infraspeak and wants to begin his configuration on the platform. What does he need to do? First things first, in order to get his team to use the platform, the manager will need to add users. To add users, the manager needs to go to the Administration tab using the left-hand side menu. Once in the Administration tab, select the User Account section and click on Users. To add a new user, go to the top left-hand side corner and click on New User button. Once you do that, a new window will now appear, and it is in this window that the manager will need to add the name and email, select the account type for the new user, and provide a password. Regarding accounts, there are 3 different types of users inside of Infraspeak: an administrator, manager, and a technician. You may want to learn more about these profiles, so check the details of this video to find out the section in our Help Center. Now, once the users are added, the manager may want to segment the information and tasks by departments or by teams. One way to do it inside of Infraspeak is by creating and assigning technical skills. Technical skills will allow you to create a filter and through that filter assign tasks and jobs to a group of technicians or close tasks and jobs to those who don't have the required technical skill set. Quick recap. The technical skills should work to differentiate the technician's own skills, allowing managers to communicate directly with them according to their needs. Technical skills may be assigned to a user, but they can also be managed. In order to manage them, the manager needs to go into the Admin tab and in the Users section select technical specialities for that user. Here, the manager can add, edit, and delete a technical skill and also view the number of users assigned to any given skill. Some examples of a technical skill can be an electrician, an air conditioning specialist, a receptionist, housekeeping, gardener, among others. You may also want to upload your external contacts, such as suppliers or customers, to be used when sending reports by email or even giving access to Infraspeak Direct. On Infraspeak, the way to create these is by adding contacts. Contacts are entries in the platform that contain contact information of people or companies that may relate to a client, building, or a supplier. Its main function is to, once associated with clients, buildings, or suppliers, make them eligible to receive reports by email directly through Infraspeak. In order to add them, the manager needs to go to the Administration tab, and in the Clients and Contacts section, select the option Contacts. Once in there, the manager needs to click on Add a new contact and add the contact details. That's it. You are now ready to start setting up your users in the Infraspeak platform according to your needs and permissions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, you can check out more relevant information in the links in the description and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Stay tuned for our next episode and keep watching for the video's pro tip. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Whenever a manager is adding a user, they can define their access settings. If you want to know how to do it, just check the description below and learn more about this topic. See you around.